Everyone loves the classic French brioche, light, buttery and soft. And when you combine it with Nutella, you got a divine chocolate babka that's truly unforgettable. After 5 years of sourdough baking, I'm excited to share my updated version of this babka recipe. For the dough, I've used my classic sourdough brioche recipe. You can find the full detailed tutorial in my other video on French brioche, link below. And today, we're gonna start with just last steps. After making your dough, and when it doubles in size, roll out the dough into a rectangle shape. Then, spread a generous layer of Nutella or your favorite chocolate spread across the dough. Starting from one edge, tightly roll up the dough to keep those layers neat. Then, slice the roll down to the middle to reveal those chocolate layers. Gently twist the two halves together, overlapping to create that iconic babka twist. This braiding gives you that beautiful marbling of chocolate. Place the twisted babka in a preheated loaf pan and let it rise for about 2 to 4 hours until it's puffed and airy. After baking, if you would like, brush it with a simple syrup to keep it moist and give it a glossy finish. As we come to the end of this video, I want to say a huge thank you for everyone who's been along with me on this journey. It's been 5 years of sharing everything I know and love about sourdough. It's incredible to think we've reached over 564,000 views together. But here's the thing, only 4,000 of you have subscribed so far. If my videos have ever been helpful to you and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. We share a love for sourdough and a commitment to caring about what goes into our bodies. And your support would mean the world to me. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep baking and learning together.